Hey, sweet faces. Welcome to this week's homework where we are looking at our place value. So starting off, we have some place value cubes. I'm looking to see what number you see. So down here, I have a 100, a 100. I have some tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and I have a 1. If I put this all together, think of expanded form. I have 251. Over here, just tens and ones. I have 4 tens or 40, and then I have 5 ones. Put it together. My number is 45. Sliding down, 3 tens and 3 ones, or 33. Over here, we have 100 and 2 tens, or 120. Coming down here, I have 100, 100, 100. Tens, I have 10, 20, 30, 40. 50, 60. I have 360. Check your blocks, label them if that helps you. Over here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 6 ones for a total of 86. If you have questions, go ahead and bring them with you to class. Page number 2, I'm looking for the standard form. That means if I take this stretched out equation, squish it back, what do I get? If I'm not sure, I can always write it as an addition problem. But remember, I'm a jokester and a trickster. I'm going to try and keep you on your toes. So look at your questions carefully. For this first one, 500 plus 40 plus 1, 541, easy peasy. Over here, 2,000. I can stack them, 630. 2,638. Down here, 1,064. Notice how I did not put them in order, and there's no pairs in the hundreds. This is 1,064. We're going to have a 0 in the hundreds place. Over here again, I switched up the order. I'm going to keep you on your toes. 4,759. Down here, I have 3,000, I have 100, I have 90, I have 2, 3,192. Last one, I have 90,000, I have 7,000, I have 200. That means I have 97,200. If you have questions on this page, go ahead and bring them with you to class. All right, little loves, let's take a look at our next page. I'm looking for standard form, fancy way of saying write down the numbers. What numbers are you reading? So here I have 67. Say it out loud. See what you hear. Write it down. Over here I have 904. Not 14, not 42, 904. There's a 0 in the hundreds place here. I have 43,000. That 1,000 tells me a comma. 58. 43,000. 58. Nothing in the hundreds place. 816. Down here, I have 5,123. Remember that comma tells us thousand, so 5,123. And over here, easy peasy, just a little 25. Questions on page 3, go ahead and bring them with you to class. All right, on to our next page where I'm looking for word form. That means say it, listen, write it down. I want your numbers in words. Spelling does not count. This is not a spelling test. Do your best to get your thinking down. 51. Over here, 623. Over here, that comma tells us 1,000. 3,000. 200. 2. Over here we have 400. 17. Coming down, 800. 49. Last one on this page. 9, comma says 1,000. 85. All right. Any questions on this page? Go ahead and bring them with you to class. Last page, love bugs, is to compare these numbers. So I have a 6 in the hundreds, a 6 in the hundreds. Slide over. I have a 2 and a 5. 5 is going to be my larger one. 4,000, 4,000. 600, 700. 700 is going to be my larger one. 7,000, 7,000. 700, 200. 700 is greater. 500, 500. 10, 0. The 10 is greater. Nothing in the thousands place. Automatically, 1,285 is bigger. There's nothing in the thousands place. Last one, 3,000. Nothing in the thousands place. 3,000 is greater. Questions? Bring them with you to class. Good job, math.